Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm just doing a quick review of this cheap thermometer. Basically, you can plug it into whatever you're cooking and it will tell you when it's cooked. And it can survive all sorts of heat. This bit can't, but the probe can. This was quite cheap off AliExpress. I think it was about £7, and if I can find you a link for it, I'll put it in the description. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so here it is in its little nondescript box. Let's get it out. Okay, so we have a little bit of tech. The screen apparently is supposed to be HD. It looks more like a LCD than HD, but we'll see. A lot of rhyming there, I apologise. I was just trying out my rapping skills. Right, let's have a look at the instructions and let's have a look if they're any good. Sometimes they can be, other times they can be quite terrible. Okay, it looks okay. It's written pretty well actually, so that's always a good sign. Okay, let's get some batteries in it. It takes AAA batteries, and on the back it's got 2 switches, cook and timer, and off and on, and then it's got what looks like a little reset hole. Okay, I'm going to go away now and I'm just going to have a look at the instructions and see how to use it properly, and I will be back. Okay, first things first, let's do the obligatory removal of that and turn it on. Okay, now it's got 3 different buttons, MM, ST and SS, and it says on the instructions, MM to select meat type, ST to select what type of meat. It says taste, but it means like cooked level, so you've got rare, medium, medium well, and well. SS, you press to have it in Celsius or Fahrenheit, and if you press it and hold for 2 seconds, you can manually enter what temperature level you want. So let's put it on cook. Okay, so today we will be cooking chicken. So first of all, before I do anything else, I'm going to remove the tip of this, and yes, relatively sharp, and I'm going to remove all the bits from here, and then I'm going to plug it in, because I can almost guarantee that it probably won't work very well with it unplugged. Be very, very inaccurate. Okay, the wire is actually a pretty decent length. It looked like it was very, very short, but yeah, that's alright. Okay, plug this in. It's 20 degrees, 23. I'm holding it at the moment to see if I can heat it up. Oh no, I'm cooling it down apparently. Okay, anyway, let's stop messing about. We're going to be doing chicken. So we press this one to navigate to what meat we want. Let me hold it like this. So we press this. Oh, we've got some light now. Oh, now no, it's really difficult to see. Right, I'm going to have to change no, that's alright, that'll do. Okay, that's turkey, there's chicken, and we want it well done. And so the alert temperature is at 79, and that's done, I think, isn't it? Is there a start button, or is that it? We want it in Celsius, but I'm just going to press this to see. Yep, okay. Right, let's go and shove this in a chicken. If you're enjoying the video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you just check out my Patreon. I put free models and various other things in there. So yeah, there's lots of free stuff and behind the scenes, etc. Thanks to Darren, my only Patreon at the moment. I really appreciate you sticking with us, man. Really do appreciate it. Anyway, back to the video. Okay, so I have cleaned the probe off and I am going to stick it into the meatiest, fattest part, but trying to avoid any bones. But that's done, and I will now put it in the oven, and I'll be back once I've done that. Okay, so it's in, and it's inside the chicken, which is at 4 degrees at the moment. Let's open the door. Oh, and there's our fogging up screen chicken. So I haven't even bothered checking temperatures or anything, or cooking times. I'm just going to leave it on that, I think. To conserve the battery life, after a while the screen turns off, but all you have to do is just touch it and it comes back on again. And we're getting there, food's almost done. Time to check on it. Now this probe I've used many times before. We can actually have a look to see if this is accurate or not. And it is dead on. So it's 75, which is cooked. 75.2, 76 is definite, you know. Okay, so it really does work well, and it just makes life a little bit easier. I don't have to keep an eye on it, and I don't even have to check the weights or anything anymore. I just plug it in to whatever meat I'm cooking, and it will do the rest for me. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon. Bye for now.